You are not going to do shorter and bigger. You are going to teach your Didi, okay? So actually Amma was teaching her sister, and then I thought let me record the video. They have done some questions already, and now only like 2 questions left. So Amma will read and they will do. Okay? So Amma, start.
Arrange.
Your finger should be there.
Arrange.
Hmm.
In order.
Hmm.
From longest to shortest.
So how she has to arrange? Tell her.
Longest to shortest.
Very good.
Right here.
Yes.
Then this.
Hmm.
Right here. Now we finish car. E. G.
Hmm. Very good.
Now B. B. That's it. B. That's it. That's it, baby. D. 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 Now this arrange in the order from shortest to longest. The shortest. This is no. This is.
No. Which one is shortest? See? I think D. I'm not sure because both A and D are confusing.
I am also confused. A.
You are also confused with A and D. So which one is long? I think okay, A is also right, but he is very short. So D might be the answer, है ना? D.
D. Might be A the answer? No. Then this. Then the red. E. E. Now this B. B. Oh, no, this one. No, crocodile on the neck.
Yeah. No, this is snake.
Maybe so big. Snake. E. Snake. Wait. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel
Like, share, and subscribe our channel.
for such more videos.